Welcome back to our channel Ask Deb's Legacy, where we bring your ideas on how and why you should be making $900 days online. If you're ready to finally earn what you're worth online, without chasing friends, cold messaging strangers, or spending hours glued to your phone, then buckle up. Because today, we're diving into how one woman went from struggling in network marketing to building a seven-figure digital business, and how you can follow the same path with a single certification. Let's get into it. Point 1: From struggle to success. Michelle O'Neill's story starts like many of ours, working hard in network marketing, trying to juggle family life and finances. She finally hit $7,000 per month, and then it all crashed when the company changed its compensation plan. Her income dropped to $3,000 overnight. That's when Michelle had her light bulb moment. She didn't truly own her income. She was just a contractor. So, she looked into digital marketing, despite having zero tech skills and being terrified of making videos. Point 2: The power of digital marketing. She discovered that digital marketing wasn't about creating your own products from scratch, it was about selling done-for-you products at 100% profit. Even better, the system could be automated, so she didn't have to chase anyone or DM friends and family ever again. That was the game changer. Point 3: Legacy Builders Program launched after seeing early success on TikTok, where she earned $7,000 in her first month, $14,000 in the second, and $22,000 in her third. Michelle knew she had to help others do the same. In April 2024, she launched the Legacy Builders Program to teach people how to build a digital business that brands them, not just the company they promote. It includes weekly mentorship, training, and step-by-step tools to help people build and scale quickly. Point 4: Massive growth and results. What happened next was nothing short of incredible. In just 10 months, Michelle's community of students generated $29 million in sales, all without paid advertising. Over 100 people became six-figure earners, and 17 became self-made millionaires using her system. And guess what? Most of them had no prior tech skills or experience. They simply followed the system and showed up consistently. Point 5: Affordable access and support. One of the biggest myths about online success is that it takes a huge investment. Not here. Once you have made the decision to invest in yourself, for just $39, members get access to a full digital business suite, a done-for-you system, live tech support, weekly training calls, onboarding assistant, mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners, a thriving community of 50,000 plus people. That's less than what most people spend on a coffee run. Point 6: Certification equals credibility. With Legacy 2.0, Michelle introduced certification. Why? Because being certified in digital marketing sets you apart. It's not about grinding or taking months of classes. It's learn as you go, and most students make their first sale within 7 days. Being certified means you've learned real, transferable skills, skills no one can take from you. Whether you want to build a brand, sell affiliate products, or start your own offers later, this is the foundation. Point 7: Learn while you earn. The Legacy Builder Program focuses on earning while you learn. With just 2 hours per day, members are taught to focus on income-generating activities, so they're not just learning theory, they're building their business in real time. The average person spends more time scrolling TikTok in a day than Michelle's students spend building profitable businesses. Point 8: Automation and email lists. One of the key pieces Michelle teaches is the power of automation. When someone signs up through your funnel, the system does the follow-up for you, via emails, landing pages, and pre-recorded videos. Michelle even shared that someone was on her email list for 2 years before finally buying, and that person is now a loyal customer. That's the beauty of automation. It works 24/7 while you live your life. Point 9. Global reach. Here's another reason this system works. It's global. Unlike network marketing where you're limited to your region or country, digital marketing allows you to sell to anyone in the world. That's how Michelle scaled so fast. She removed limitations, and you can too. If you're using social media already, imagine turning it into a global storefront with your own automated income system. Point 10. Real-life results and legacy impact. What's the ultimate goal? Freedom. Freedom from debt. Freedom from the 9 to 5. Freedom to travel, be with your family, and live on your terms. Michelle now owns real estate, has 15 income streams, and even bought a hair salon. More importantly, she's helped others do the same. People in her community are paying off debt, buying homes, leaving jobs they hate, all by learning a few simple digital marketing skills. Take action. So, here's the big takeaway. If Michelle can do it, introverted, non-tech savvy, grandma of 5, you can too. Get certified. Learn the skills. Build your digital legacy. Remember, it's not about grinding, it's about getting started. And the only thing standing between you and your breakthrough is the decision to try. Let me know in the comments, what's your dream once you're financially free? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step on your journey to digital freedom. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay informed. Stay ahead, as it helps our channel's ratings. Until next time, don't miss this next one. It's big.